baby, you're with Sassii, Sansoucis. As a businesswoman, I know we are very busy people all days. We do not always have time to answer texts, email, or calls. Not to mention that you have to move to your appointment and touch up makeup throughout the day. But I developed a technique for you and I share it for free with you today. This technique is called the flybird technique that you will see. You know, sometimes I like to watch birds calm and peaceful in nature. And I noticed something special about the hummingbird, little rascal, who moves his head extremely quickly. So I developed a technique inspired by the letter to save time. So if you observe carefully, you will see that the flybird technique is very simple. Then, sail in hand, drive in, look at blind spot, road, and sail. It's going as follows. So, you will be able to answer your email, text, and calls while keeping eyes on the road. Now I invite you to watch the video in slow motion. It's my pleasure to share you a little businesswoman things from Sassii. Follow me and see you soon. Goodbye, baby. Love you.